Hi there, everyone. Today I'm just cleaning the inside of my car. I just like to share a tip on the best way to get your windshield clean on the inside here. I find it's all about the washcloth here. Um, I suggest using just like your average like washcloth that you would use for like your shower or bath, and then just start off with some soapy water. Just you might have to like go over it a few times, depending on how dirty it is. And then just, when you're done, when it's kind of dry and stuff, then just take like your glass cleaner. Today I'm going to use Zep streak-free glass cleaner here. Just give it a nice spray. And yeah, it's all about, I'm finding it's about the washcloth. Just, it should get it nice and clean for you. But whatever you do, don't use those microfiber. I find that they're not really all that good, especially the cheap ones from the dollar store. All right, well, I hope this helps out for you, and enjoy.